Hello guys, this is in from Trekking to Sapa. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Trekking to Sapa.com website to book a tour in Sapa. Okay, so this is the homepage of the Trekking to Sapa website. So when you scroll down here, you see some uh, tour available here, and this is a new experience that we already create for who love to see more things and less tourists, and this is most popular experience. Okay, and here you also can see the bar here, and you can click to the experience. You wanna set to the category like a 1 day, 2 day, 3, 4 day, or motorbike, fancy band, waterfall, uh, the private tour car. You also can do that. And on the home page here, we also have some category here. You wanna um, you can search for specific on the category on what you want. Okay, and for example, like now I just wanna 1 day. I can click here, 1 day, or I can even show here and then I click over here. Okay, but for now I click here. Okay, so for now you click here, I can go to the book now, or you can see more. And then for example, this is uh, the Twilight. Actually, this is the one of very popular tour in Sapa, and a lot of people like this tour, and this is beautiful. Okay, so I click here to see more, and yeah, I think this we have pretty a lot of information here. You can see more, and when you're happy, you know what exactly the information, and then you can book from the phone here. So this you can choose the day. For example, I choose from this day, and then pickup time. Keep in mind that this pickup time about 9 a.m. to 10. Okay, so to go here and I gonna 10 9. Oh yeah, yes 9 a.m. Okay, select to as the group tour. So it's very depend. Okay, so this group tour I would recommend for you if you are one or two, one person or two people, so you can join with another people, so you can choose the book as a group tour over here. But if you prefer like a private tour, you can choose over here. Okay, so the group tour is here. Um, is if you book group tour, so you join with another people, but same this price. Okay, so the group tour you be about 2 to 6 people. Okay, I have we have explained over here. Okay, so you pay this amount and you will join 2 or 6 people. But if you are one person, okay, you're one person and you book this tour as a group, but on the day on the depart tour, and uh, if nobody join you and only one person you would pay extra US dollar for per person to upgrade the tour to a private. Okay, but if you are 2 people and you book as a group tour, and you will not pay more. Okay, on the day if nobody join you, you will not be pay more. You just pay for that and you can do a private tour. But if you one person and nobody join you, you have to pay $8 to make a private tour for only one person. Okay, so all right, so I go back to here, and then now I choose, for example, I book a group tour like this, and if you book as you choose here, and you have to make this no, I want to book a group tour. Okay, and the children is no children here. You can choose here, but no, or you just leave this default. Okay, and the pickup point you can send later. You can meet our guy at our office, or you can have your hotel here. Okay, you just drop your hotel address over here. For now, I just live in our office. And bus from Hanoi to Sapa. So this is very optional. If you still don't know where to good, where to book a ticket from for the transfer from Hanoi to Sapa, so this is only the bus. Okay, so if you want to book the train, you have to go to our website. I open this. So if you want to book train, you have to go on this. Okay, and you choose train, and you see the train over here. But in our tour, we will not include train in this form. You wanna book the train with us, you just go here, go to the category transform, go to train, and then you book a bus train. So you have the form over here, okay? But from here, just just for the bus. Okay, so the bus, so you can choose bus from Hanoi to Sapa. So we had cabin sleeping bus and single cabin sleeping bus and also sleeping bus. So let me explain. Okay, I will open this. Okay, so we have explained over here. So the a cabin sleeping bus, that's mean a cabin that you can sleep up there for two people. Okay, so this is good for a family or a family with three people and a, a children, or you can book for a couple. Okay, but for this a single sleeping bus, so single cabin sleeping bus and a cabin sleeping bus, this is similar. Okay, similar, but if you book for two people, the price will be a little cheaper. Okay, if you book one person for one cabin sleeping bus, this you will pay a little more, but you have more space and you sleeping here is more comfortable. Okay, but the sleeping bus over here, this is just a chair, or just a chair that you can sleep, or you can turn to sit. Okay, so this is good for a group people or just one person, and you wanna make this cheaper and also comfortable. So this will be good, but most comfortable will be on cabin sleeping bus and single cabin sleeping bus. Okay, so you can choose. You can see the town here. Pick a town from Hanoi and just choose from this town. Okay, don't choose any other. The bus will not pick up you that time. So just choose on this town. Okay, and pick up from Sapa just to this town. So this you will pick up you at this address and then arrive this address. Pick up here, arrive here. You can just open this tab. You'll see the map that we already include here, so you know exactly the location PU cup, and you will know far from your hostel or not. Okay, all right. So we go back to the font here. Yeah. Okay. So now you know exactly the bus you choose. So for now, for example, I am two people. I want to book a cabin for two people. I choose over here. If you have more, okay. If, for example, if you have three people, for example, and you want to book for a cabin for two people and another single cabin for the one person, for example. So you have to scroll down here. Okay, you have to scroll down here to single. Okay, this is single. Okay, you can click here, and then this means you already booked one cabin for two people and one single cabin for one person. But if you don't like this, you also can book one sleeping bus for one person. Okay, so you can choose multiple. Okay, it depends how many people you have. Okay, so for example, I choose like that, and I go here. So keep in mind that this time pickup is only this. Okay, only this time. Okay, so you have go here. You choose, for example, 6 30, 6:30. I'm gonna 6:30, and I choose the day pickup. Make sure you choose the day pickup. Okay, for example, my tour was start from 7 May, so I had to the bus from Hanoi to be from 16. should be like that and like this. Okay, because from Hanoi to Sapa it takes 6 hours, so you have to if you start the tour tomorrow, you have to start the bus from today. We arrive tomorrow. Okay, so you arrive to Sapa about 8 in the morning and start the tour in the morning. Okay, okay, the bus from Sapa back Hanoi. So I choose the same sleeping bus. I choose the time pickup from Sapa. Okay, to the time pickup from Sapa. Okay, for just to the town. Okay, so 11, 12, like that. And the day. Okay, the day is should be the A because 7 in my I start the tour, and you also can choose the same here because our tour start in the morning at 9 a.m. So the tour will be end about 3 p.m. Okay, so you can book the bus from same day of the tour as 4 a.m. Okay, so now I will do that 4 a.m. Uh, 7. Yeah, you can choose the same day and 16. Okay, 4 p.m. Okay, so I think everything look good now. You can check one quick again. I think everything look good, and I'm gonna book now. Okay, check wait a while. Okay, so it's completely okay now. So it's go to the checkout. So you can just check for one time everything have become fine here to see everything correct. So our platform is very simple. You just choose what you want and then go to payment. Just 2 step. Okay. So you go here to put your name, last name, Gmail, username, your phone number, and you can choose the payment. Okay, PayPal, debit card, pay in Mastercard. Okay, so you can debit card is also from PayPal, but you don't like that, you can choose the one pay from Vietnam but with security. Okay, you can pay Visa, Mastercard. All right, so okay, just do everything and click here to agree our turn. You click here to see more our turn and click here. So this this is everything you can book. Okay, so when you're ready, check everything again, and then you just play order now. So you'll be done just a few minutes. Okay, so this is very simple, so I hope you can do it. You have any question, just WhatsApp or Gmail. Okay, so all right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, click subscribe button. Okay, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.